Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we need to use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one you got to ask. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Because we have 2s and ds, and this one we can change for the u. This one we change for u. 2s ds that is about the u. The integration of this one, we have 2019 plus 1 over 2019 plus 1, and I will put about c. This one we have 2020. This one we have 2020. U that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.